Hi everyone, my name is Lisi. Welcome to the course, The Whole Team Approach to Continuous Testing. In this course, you will learn about different approaches how to collaborate with developers to implement automation and continuous testing. Let's have a look at what you will get out of it. We will start with looking at what continuous testing is all about and how we can benefit from it. You will learn about common problems teams are facing and how a whole team approach can help you mitigate them. What if there's no automation expert in the team? We will see how you can still tackle automation and get started learning more about it. There are different approaches how we work together in a cross-functional team. We will discuss three modes I've experienced myself in my team so far. One approach is that everyone on the team is working solo. We will discuss what you can do in this situation to drive automation while collaborating in an asynchronous way. People in the team can also pair up regarding automation. We will look at different kind of pairing styles and how pairing up for automation can help you succeed. Yet another approach is the mob approach. We will introduce this collaboration practice and show you how the whole team can benefit from it. And last but not least, let's see how crucial context is. In the end, you have to try things out before you know what really works in your unique context. Now let's get started.